No, it's okay. You can pluck.
Give it and make a new one. Dad.
Oh, shoot. Kaloka naman. Yan mo na.
Dinikit mo naman eh.
Oh!
What did Dad
Ah,
make?
dito.
Okay.
Tignan mo. Tignan mo. Tumayo ka, ani.
Let me try this. One. This.
Small pa.
Oh, Diyos ko naman.
Ito na eh. Ito na yung kamay mo na. Akin na ah. Tignan mo na eh. Tignan mo. Tignan mo. Big J. Okay? Small I. L. A. N. A. Oh, ganon. Small yung I. I-trace mo muna yung L. A. N. Ala, baliktad naman. A.
A.
Ala,
Actually, I want a little letter now.
Baliktad. Finish that first. Practice.
dito ani, wag dyan, dito muna ah.
I want to do.
Just practice, anak. Patience.
I want to do the A.
Ewan ko dyan. Bahala na siya dyan.
A na mga malaki ang gusto niya.
Just baby A first, Jelana. Look at the line, Jelana. See.
I want to do my name. I want to.
Ah, A, B, C. Letter daw siya. A, B, C, D.
F. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Wait, Mama. Ah! Okay, let me try it. Let me do my hair. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, R.
Ni baba.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, I, J. J.
Do you go to school like that, Jelana? Why not? It's so pretty. Look at mom.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, A, I. I.
J as in Jelana.
Look.
Oh, I. You missed the I. H, I.
iPad.
I first before J.
A right here. A.
H, I.
I. Oh, how do a new one? Or do this one?
You can do it again, anak. Oh, I thought they're coming first, the wedding, and then move. So they're moving first, and then they're flying back.
No, they brought her car up here and helped her drive all her stuff.
So they help her drive.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because they couldn't drive it after the wedding.
Yeah, because the
Russell
snow.
has to work and all that stuff.
Oh, oh, did Russell drive with them too?
I don't think so.
Mm.
No, it was just Trey, Jessa, and Dan.
Oh.